Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. My name is Kevin. Welcome to my little corner of the universe. Today, we're at the Black Mountain Burger Company for a special edition of What You Eat in New Hampshire. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for taking time to check it out. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't like the video, leave a comment, be it good or bad. I'm always going to interact with you. So today we're checking out the Black Burger Company, recommended to me by my wife, Mary Ann. And we're going to go see what they have for eats, right baby?
Yep.
All right, let's go check it out. This area. Yeah, so some Pepsi products, we're happy with that. Chilies, salads and proteins, burgers. So we can get a quick look. You can pause it if you want. And there we are. So I went with the classic cheeseburger, Mary went with a classic hamburger. And she got the maple...
house-made
maple mayo. So we'll tell you how that tastes as well and get a picture of these foods when he comes here. But so far everything seems to be nice and clean here. So this is the poutine that we ordered. Let's get a taste of that, huh? Look at that. That looks damn good, doesn't it, Mary Ann? All right. Mary Ann's taking her picture, but we're going to give it a try. You ready? You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Mary Ann's doing the clickbait. And none of you know what poutine is. Poutine is French fries covered in cheese and gravy. It's a French creation. And luckily for us here in the Northeast, being so close to French Canada, we get to try it. So here we go. Let's give this a try. So, the poutine comes with curd, gravy, fries. The gravy's good. The curds are soft. Melt it with consistency over the fries. The gravy's a little salt, but it's really good. If you don't have salt in your gravy, then you're not having a gravy, are you? Mary Ann, what are you thinking?
Just go with
It's good?
There's a lot of flavor in the gravy.
A lot of flavor in the gravy. Yeah, like beef stock.
Very rich.
Yeah, very rich.
It's not from a can.
No, it's definitely not from a can. I would agree with you on that 100%. This is not from a can. And as you can see, there's a pretty good looking poutine fry. Be back when they bring up the burger. So here's the burgers. Here's Mary Ann's. Mary, can I try your mayo? Can I try your mayo?
Of course. I'm going to ask.
I'm not a big mayo fan, but I can taste that. Alright, so we're going to see if this is medium. Be right back. Alright, so as you all know, we ordered medium. I just cut my burger. Let's see if it's a medium. Here we go. That looks pretty medium to me. Time to try it. So, overall rating. Fries are good. They're using dill pickles, which aren't bad. But this burger, the burger's so juicy, it's literally soaking through the bun, which is a good sign for a burger, especially if you like burgers.
Oh, that is good.
That mayo.
It's almost like honey mustard, but it's what is it? Maple?
Maple mayo.
Oh, it's so good.
So, handmade, flame broiled, grilled to perfection. For a burger joint, on a scale of 1 to 10, One being worse than being best. I'm settling about a 7 on this one.
A 7? What's wrong with
About a 7, 7.5.
it? It's like a 9.
It's not as good as Sunday Road.
Crazy.
No, it's a good burger, don't get me wrong. It's just, and your onion rings look awesome.
A 7 is mediocre.
That's a 7.5. 7.5. 7's mediocre. Then you rank him how you want to rank him. How would you rank him?
What?
How would you rank him?
9.
A 9 for him?
It's almost if it's almost perfect, then it's a 9.
I'll reassess this. Hold on. I might need another.
He's gonna come back with a 9. What room is there to improve? You gotta think of that.
The bun. Alright.
Alright. Let's settle into it now.
I'll move it to an 8. But I would recommend the Black Mountain Burger Company. If you take time to watch the video, if this was your first time checking out my video and the Black Mountain Burger Company, thank you for doing so. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Leave a comment. Be it good or bad, I'm always going to interact with you. And wherever you are in the world and whatever you're doing at this moment, I hope you all have a smile on your face. And until next time, have a great one.